As I mentioned before, we're trying maximum to avoid duplicate codes. As you see here, we have exactly same. We have different types of while phase, and better to say loop. Another method, instead of asking once and then checking and then do the code, we first could get the value and then check. To do that, instead of saying while here, I say do what? Allow me to remove this code. Do get input, and instead of getting when here, I say loop. This is the shape of loop, do loop, and set the while here. So do first get the value and then check. It is exactly same of the previous one, but we didn't repeat this line of code. Let's try it. Cancel, gonna ask. 7, gonna ask. I8, gonna ask. But if I type 3 as an example, okay, thank you, and finish. So instead of asking the value and then start looping and repeat the code, I use do, then get the input and use the loop key and the condition. While it is smaller than 1 or larger than 5, going to do again, gonna repeat it and repeat it. If it is between 1 to 5, it will finish, and the next code it is message box, thank you. Let's try, for example, 2, okay, and thank you.